All right, now we're going to look at using an equation or formula for f of x and then finding a specific inverse value. So if f of x is equal to negative x plus 16, we're going to evaluate f inverse of negative 40. So remember that this is f inverse of y is equal to x. So we are solving for x, and this is our y value. So I have negative 40 is equal to negative 8x plus 16. I subtract 16 from both sides, I get negative 56 is equal to negative 8x. So that gives me x is equal to 7. Okay. All right, so our strategy here was to take f of x and set it equal to this inverse value and solve for x. So then you can go ahead and pause the video, try 32 and 33, and see if you can solve those. All right, so here f inverse of 23 is what we're looking for. So y is 23, and we want to solve for x. So 23 is equal to 5x minus 7. Add 7 to both sides to get 30 is equal to 5x. And so x is equal to 6. And let's see, for f of x equal to square root of x plus 8, we want to evaluate f inverse of 13. So 13 is equal to the square root of x plus 8. Subtract 8 from both sides, we get the square root of x is equal to 5. And then I'm going to square both sides here. So that tells me x is equal to 25 here. All right, so when we come back on the next video, we'll look at actually how to find the full inverse function so that we wouldn't have to do this each time over and over and over again. If I wanted to find a bunch of inverse values here, I would have to keep repeating this process. There's a better way to do that, so we'll look at that next.